Hi, I'm Emil from Town & Country Truck. Today I'd like to show you this 2003 Kodiak C4500 with a 3 to 4 yard dump body on it. It's got the 6.6 turbo diesel automatic transmission with air conditioning. This little Kodiak's got a very durable interior. It's got fabric where you want the comfort, and then on the wear points on the driver's seat it's got heavy-duty truck vinyl. Heavy-duty crisscross vinyl mat, AM/FM stereo, air-conditioned, tilt wheel, and automatic transmission. The dump controls are right here, easy to get to. This little Kodiak's got a 3-4 yard dump body with full down sides, all steel box. It's got a heavy duty hitch system with a hook system for your chains. Hi, at this time I'd like to tell you a little bit about our financing programs. We not only have traditional bank loans, but we also do business lease to own programs with dollar buyouts. You can elect to do a traditional 10% buyout or a dollar buyout, whichever makes the most sense for your business. We also have finance company financing for trucks as well as trailers, and we can do credit card transactions, Visa, MasterCharge, Discover, and also American Express. Whatever makes the most sense for your financing needs, we can take care of.